Hey everyone! Did you know that while condoms are great for reducing the risk of sexually transmitted infections, they're not foolproof? That's right, condoms can't fully protect you from STIs, and here's why. First off, condoms only cover the penis, leaving other parts of the genital area exposed. STIs like herpes, HPV, and syphilis can be transmitted through skin-to-skin contact in areas that aren't covered. Next, let's talk about condom breakage or slippage. Sometimes condoms can break or slip off during intercourse, especially if they're not used correctly. Things like not leaving enough space at the tip or using oil-based lubricants with latex condoms can lead to this. Also, while condoms can reduce the transmission of fungal infections, they're not completely protective. Fungal infections can affect areas beyond where the condom provides a barrier. So, how can you fully protect yourself against STIs? Dr. Sadhna Singhal Vishnoi suggests these 6 strategies. Number 1, regular STI testing. If you're sexually active, especially with multiple partners, frequent testing is crucial. This helps in early detection and treatment, since many STIs can be asymptomatic. Number 2, good hygiene practices. Washing the genital area before and after sexual activity and avoiding the sharing of personal items like towels or underwear can significantly reduce infection risks. Number 3, limiting sexual partners. The fewer partners you have, the lower your risk of encountering someone with an infection. Number 4, vaccination. Vaccines like those for HPV and hepatitis B can provide protection and reduce the risk of complications. Number 5, communication and mutual testing. Having open discussions with your sexual partners about STI status and testing can help make informed decisions. Mutual testing before engaging in sexual activity is also a good practice. And finally, number 6, consulting healthcare providers. If you notice any symptoms or have concerns about your sexual health, it's important to see a healthcare provider for advice, testing, and treatment. So there you have it. While condoms are essential, they're not enough by themselves. Combining these strategies is your best bet for staying safe and healthy. Thanks for watching. Disclaimer. This video is based on information from the public domain and/or the experts we spoke to. Always consult your health practitioner before starting any routine. For more videos, please follow and subscribe us.